Oh my God. When the tortoise gets shut in the kitchen. George! Get off my hoover!
Everywhere.
Get out! Oh my God. Pinch, you don't want anything out of this kitchen right now. Oh my God, George! How the hell have you been shut in here? Oh my days. Well, at least he tried to do the hoovering, huh? Oh my life.
You might kill him.
Don't spray that around him.
You're gonna kill him.
You are so naughty.
You're
And
going
how
to kill
the
him.
hell have you been stuck in the kitchen?
What the hell?
Eh? How have you been stuck in the kitchen?
Mum.
Eh? You are dirty. Let's get you out.